Hi there and welcome back to Artisan Upholstery Studio. It's me, Amy, and today I'm going to show you how to upholster some tricky mid-century dining chairs. So these are the mid-century chairs I'm working on today. They don't look all that complicated except for there are no visible fasteners to get these seats or backs on. So I have to figure out how they're attached so that I can get them off. So I'm doing that by cutting right through the old fabric. And here we go. This is how it was fastened. There are actually screws that go through little cutout keyholes in the plywood. So here is a better view of that. See, you just push the plywood so that the screw goes to the wider gap and then it just pops off. So this is a fairly common way that mid-century furniture was attached when there is no visible fasteners. And if you are getting serious about your upholstery habit and looking to turn it into a business or a side hustle, you're going to want to go check out my new website, upholstery.life. It's where I'm putting up videos that are a lot more detailed than these YouTube videos. They're for people who are actually want to learn the trade, not just do it as a hobby, not just watch it as an interest, but actually learning the trade step by step in detailed videos. They're much longer videos, and they will walk you through the step in a lot more detail. So thank you for checking that out. So I want these seats and backs to remain very, very sleek and modern looking. So I'm only using 1/2 inch foam on these. And here I am marking the top of the chair because that's going to be important to know. So you're going to measure the fabric by cutting a little bit bigger than you need, so a couple inches. So we're going to start the staples at the back and the front, and then each side. And because of this curve in the plywood, you want to make sure that you're not pulling it too tight on the sides. And I'm trimming away the extra foam here because there's just too much. You don't want it to be too bulky, but you do want it to go over the edge a little bit. All right, so back to the staples. We're going to put some in the sides. You don't pull it too hard because you don't want to lose the curve in the fabric. So you want it to be pulled tighter front to back than to the sides. So these corners are really easy to do because there isn't a lot of foam in the way. So you just kind of want to gather it so that there's not a whole lot of extra bulk in the corners. And that is important with these chairs because it has to lay very, very flat to get back on the plywood frame again. So it's got to be as flat as possible all the way around. So again, you got to be aware of the curve when you're putting your staples in. You don't want to pull it too tight to the sides, otherwise it's going to flatten out the fabric, and you really want to keep that curve. That's a pretty important detail. So you're going to get rid of all that dust and debris and clean up the wood with some tongue and teak oil. Get it sparkling and looking nice and clean again.